Hey, it's H here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for S&P 500. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory and provide multiple scenarios the price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on 1 hour time frame, we've had this WXY count for quite some time. Starting again this WXY from here around the $4,600, and then ABC into W, ABC into X, and now another ABC downwards to look for that one-to-one extension into the wave Y. That would be around $3,400, and also what lines up very well is this one where we have this as an A, B, and C, one-to-one again, $3,400. So that has a nice confluence around there. Now overall, for this A wave over here, we've had a possible five-way down or five-way structure complete, which is labeled as such: 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the third, fourth, and fifth. That would complete our A wave. As it is five ways, we are looking for a three-way pullback for the wave B, and then five ways again down for the wave C. At the moment, it is not quite clear what this structure is yet, but we'll look into that in just a moment. Let's zoom into this correction for the B wave though first. So in here we have a few different options. The bear count was saying that we had some kind of three-way structure, W, X, and Y. We did go beyond the 1.618, which is why I don't really prefer this one. The bullish count, where is that? There we go. Just Tradingview loading stuff slowly. Is that we had a 1 or A wave, 2 or B, and then C or third wave. Now we've come down back to the area of where we had this wave 1, so we can remove that one and stick with our primary count that here we had. Let me just restructure these a bit so they're on proper degrees. There we go, and this of course should be sub-minute as well. So in this one we had an A, B, and C. That looks to be ended here. Again, this is not very good looking five-way structure, but again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, we can get that five-way structure in there. Now this would again complete the wave B up here, and then we were looking for downwards pressure. Now I'm not short on S&P 500 still. I was shorting Nasdaq, and let me show you why. This is the chart we had, and we were looking this as more or the better setup. We were looking for this to be the stop loss areas. So stop around here, taking our shorts here when we entered this golden pocket, and then we have had very nice looking structure here coming down. Looks very nice as a five-way structure. However, again, as I mentioned yesterday, it is not quite the same in S&P 500. In Nasdaq, again, this would be a wave 1, this would be a wave 2. On S&P 500 though, we had taken this high out, so we have to be most likely placing this as the five-way move here. In any case, we would have to start the impulse wave structure downwards from here, saying that we had this as a wave 1. Now again, saying that this is wave 2 definitely does not really look too good. Nasdaq looks way better at the moment, so I'm staying away from this and playing the Nasdaq game. Now at the moment we have already retraced quite a bit of this previous structure, so I would be expecting some kind of structures to be formed upwards. Now is it done here? I'm not quite sure. This does not really look like it has finished. This could be the 1, 2, 3, 4. Is this the wave 4 and 5 already complete? Let's see in very small time frame. I don't think so, but again, this looks very sideways action here. So to me, this looks more like the fourth wave, and then one more low possibly to complete at least this structure here, whatever it is part of. On lower time frame, we did create a new low here on RSI as well, which would indicate more towards that third wave of something rather than finishing anything here. So that is my bias at the moment, looking for lower prices still. So when should we be looking at another short setup here? on S&P 500 is probably around these levels. If we are again going down couple more legs, we could be looking at some nice short setups, higher time frame, especially if the 0.5 retraces back to here, this previous consolidation area, in which we probably have some nice volume now as well. Currently we are again on this larger volume node here. This 0.5 was to be placed around this upper volume node here, so definitely nice place to reject downwards again if we are about to pump there. So that is pretty much everything on that count. I also had this count overall, which is still a possibility, in which wave B has not yet finished. We are coming down towards that golden pocket here if we are placing it like this, as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 into A, and then a 3-wave pullback downwards. This is a bit wonky looking, but again, sometimes those are. As this would be a ABC structure and this would be an expanding diagonal, or expanding flat, sorry, it would be really extended. So that's the reason why I don't like this. I saw this structure here, but couldn't really fit it into any count at the moment. So I'll just leave it on here for now. We'll see if this turns out to be anything. But yeah, that is pretty much everything I wanted to share today. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Link to my free Discord server in the description below, and please let me know if you have other assets you would like me to cover next. For now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.